I'm holding in my hand a fob transmitter, which we marked A for simplicity. The fob has been previously paired with a receiver in here, so it is authorized to control it. When I push the number 2 button on this fob, the receiver will respond by flashing a green light here. And the barrier now responds and changes its position. This fob, marked with a B, has not been previously paired with this unit. When I push the button to control it, the unit responds with a red indicator and the barrier will not move up or down.